What's up guys, I hope you're doing fine. In this video, I'll show you how to get Spotify Premium for free for 90 days. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel because it really helps me out. Okay, so you're gonna open up your browser and then enter spotify.com. I'll put /US to get the English version of the website. Let's click enter. On the home page, you have the option to log in if you have an account already. If you don't have an account, just click on sign up. I'm going to click sign up and I'm going to sign up for an account real quick. I'm just going to copy and paste my info. Here you just put in your name, enter your birthday, select your month and enter your year of birth. Agree to the terms and click next. Okay, so the account is ready and I'm logged in, as you can see. To get premium, you need to click on Explore Premium here at the top. Explore Premium, you click on that and it's gonna take you to the next page. On the next page, it says $0 for 3 months of premium. So click try for free. On the next page, you need to scroll down and make sure you have the right country selected. So I'm gonna have to change my country here. Okay. Okay, after that you need to select your mode of payment. You can either use your credit card or PayPal. I'm gonna select credit card. Okay, you need to enter your credit card. I have mine saved in my notepad, so I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna copy and paste. Expiry date, I'm gonna copy this also. Security code, I'm gonna copy this. And paste. Okay, after that, you need to scroll down and click buy now. That's pretty much everything. It says you've got premium and you can scroll down. You can see guys, it says 3 months for free, and that's pretty much everything you need to do. Next, you just need to open Spotify and then you can listen to your music and enjoy all the premium features of Spotify for free for 90 days. That's pretty much everything I had to show you today. Thanks for watching the video. If you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to my channel because it really helps me out. That's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.